Hello, today you will learn about Question 1. Explain artificial intelligence in brief.
Answer: Artificial intelligence (AI) develops machines mimicking human intelligence for tasks like learning and problem solving. It encompasses areas like machine learning and computer vision, with applications in healthcare, finance, and more, transforming technology and daily life.
Question 2. What is the goal of artificial intelligence?
Answer: The goal of artificial intelligence (AI) is to create smart machines that perform tasks requiring human-like intelligence, including: First, problem solving. AI aims to create systems that can analyze complex problems, explore possible solutions, and make informed decisions. Second, learning. Artificial intelligence systems should have the ability to learn from data and experiences, adapting and improving their performance over time without explicit programming. Third, reasoning. AI aims to replicate human-like perception, allowing machines to interpret and understand the world through vision, speech, and other sensory inputs. Fourth, natural processing language. AI seeks to enable machines to engage in logical reasoning, drawing conclusions from available information and making inferences.
Question 3. What are the major categories of AI? Explain them briefly. Why AI is a matter of research?
Answer: Artificial intelligence (AI) can be broadly categorized into two main types. 1. Narrow AI, weak AI. 2. General AI, strong AI. First, narrow artificial intelligence, weak AI. Narrow artificial intelligence is designed for specific tasks, excelling in well-defined functions without generalizing across domains. Examples include virtual assistants, image recognition, recommendation algorithms, and autonomous vehicles. It is specialized, solving specific problems without broader understanding or consciousness. Second, general artificial intelligence, strong AI. General artificial intelligence is a theoretical goal for machines with human-like cognitive abilities, capable of versatile learning and autonomous decision-making. Achieving this is complex, involving challenges in understanding human cognition and consciousness. Why artificial intelligence is a matter of research? First, advancements in technology, continuous advancements in computing power, data availability, and algorithmic techniques have fueled rapid progress in AI research. Second, real-world applications. AI has the potential to revolutionize various industries, from healthcare and finance to transportation and education. Researchers aim to develop practical applications that can solve complex problems and enhance efficiency in real-world scenarios. Third, ethical considerations. As AI systems become more sophisticated, researchers are actively exploring ethical considerations, such as fairness, transparency, accountability, and the impact of AI on society. Ethical AI research is crucial to ensure responsible and unbiased AI development.
Question 4. Mention 3 areas in which computers are better than human beings.
Answer: Here are 3 areas in which computers are typically considered superior to human beings in the context of artificial intelligence. First, processing speed. Computers excel in swiftly analyzing data and performing complex calculations, surpassing human capabilities, especially in tasks like data analysis and simulations. Second, memory precision. Computers boast impeccable memory and recall abilities, vital for tasks such as data retrieval and pattern recognition, without succumbing to fatigue or forgetfulness. Third, repetitive and monotonous tasks. AI-powered computers shine in handling monotonous tasks with unwavering precision, freeing up human resources for more complex problem solving.